This demo shows auto-enrollment pension process. Following are the steps which will be shown further in the demo. Auto-enrollment pension setup. Setting the pension scheme through different pension providers. Creating new employee. Processing the pay and assessing employees' information. View and print the employees' reports. Employee communication. Additional features for pension, that is, assign pension scheme to an individual employee or in group. And employee login. This is the tasking zone on the top. To perform different tasks, please click on the individual button in the tasking zone. Click on Pension Big button on the tasking zone at the top. Click on the menu Auto Enrolment Pension Setup. Here is the list of different pension provider. Please click on the individual link to set up auto-enrollment pension settings. Click on one of the pension provider link. Further click on the minimum compliance aid pension settings link to edit the staging date and employer reference number. Enter here the staging date. Each employer has been allocated a start date, known as a staging date. Enter here the pension account reference. Click on the additional aid pension settings link to add a new pension scheme. Adding the auto-enrollment and pension provider details. Click on the friendly auto-enrollment deferment setup link to set up a deferral for employees who join the company after your staging date, avoiding the need to immediately automatically enroll those who are eligible from their employment start date. To edit the employee pension, go to the View Edit Employee Details under Employee Big button in the tasking zone at the top. Creating new employee. Once a pension is set up, you can assign pension to your employees while creating a new employee, or by editing the existing employee pension details. To add a new employee, go to the Add New Employee under Employee Big button in the tasking zone at the top. This is the pension scheme page under Add New Employee Process. Under Employee Current Pension Status, you can set the auto-enrollment pension yes or no. The default setting is yes. Processing the pay and assessing employees' information. Click on Pay and Big button on the tasking zone at the top. Click on the menu Process Pay. Select the appropriate pay frequency to process pay. Click on the Enter link under Deduction and Pension for the employee concerned. In this section you can view edit the auto-enrollment pension deduction settings for the individual employee. Whenever you enter or adjust any pay data and wish to leave the screen, you must click on the Save Data and Process Pay button to save the entered data. To save the data and calculate the pay, click on the Save Data and Process Pay button. View and print the employees' reports. Click on Pension Big button on the tasking zone at the top. Click on the menu Pension Report View Print. These are the pension reports. You can download the auto-enrollment reports. This is the first-time report for the employee. Click on the Next Enrollment Report link. Select the appropriate pay frequency to download the report. Click the yellow Continue button. Download the reports and upload to the respective pension provider. After every monthly pay run process, the contribution report is generated. Click on the Next Contribution Report link. Select the appropriate pay frequency to download the report. Click the yellow Continue button. Enter your user sign-in password. Click the yellow Confirm button. Download the report in CSV format. Employee communication. These are the aid pension letters. Click on the eligible job holder report. Here you can view print the reports, sent email and SMS to all the employees or to individual employee. Similarly, you can view print, email and SMS the other aid pension letters also. Additional features for pension. Assign pension scheme to an individual employee or in group. And employee login. Click on Pension Big button on the tasking zone at the top. Click on the menu Group Assigning. Assign pension scheme to individual and in badge. Here you can assign pension scheme to individual. Here you can assign pension scheme in group. Additional features for pension. Employee login. Here is the employee details. Employee can log into his own account and view print or edit his own details.